Thai duck salad. Begin with 1 yellow pepper. Remove and discard the top. Cut the pepper in half. Remove and discard the white flesh. Discard the seeds. Slice the pepper into strips. Using 6 cherry tomatoes, cut the tomatoes in half. Two scallions. Remove and discard the ends. Slice the scallion into rings. One Thai chili pepper. Slice the pepper into rings. Two duck breasts with skin on. Score the duck breasts. When scoring the breasts, start by cutting in one direction. Slices should be around 1 inch apart. Cut through the skin and fat. Avoid cutting the duck meat. Cut in the opposite direction. By scoring the duck, it will render more fat. Have around 1 inch squares. Check the scoring to make sure the skin of the duck is fully cut. Two teaspoons fish sauce. 1 ounce honey, 2 limes. Cut the limes in half. Squeeze 3 of the 4 lime sides. Slice the last half into wedges. You should have around 2 ounces of lime juice. Using a strainer, pour the juice into the honey and fish sauce. Mix. In a cast iron pan on medium heat, place the duck breast skin side down. Starting with this heat will allow the duck to render fat, while not overcooking or undercooking the meat. Cook until the skin is crispy. This should be around 7 minutes. After the skin side is crispy, flip the duck breast over. Continue cooking for 3 minutes. You don't want to overcook the meat. It should be brown on both the meat side and the skin side. Allow the duck to rest for 5 minutes. To make both salads, use 5 ounces of mixed greens. Mix the scallion into the greens before placing on the plate. Add the sweet pepper, the cherry tomatoes, the duck should be cool enough to touch, 12 apricots, 20 cashews. Cut the duck into 1-inch slices. Place the duck on top of the salad. Place hot peppers on the sliced duck. Pour half of the dressing per salad. Place limes to the side. Here are the list of ingredients. If you've enjoyed this dish, remember to subscribe for future dishes. And then enjoy your Thai duck salad.